up, guys? It's your boy Butch from Imperial Automobili. Here we are, another day in paradise. I have an appointment right now we have to go to, so I better keep going, get on going and get that out of the way first. And then tonight is one of those good nights that I'm looking forward to. We're celebrating the 1-year anniversary for Gauchos Do Sul, the Brazilian steakhouse here in Houston. So it's gonna be really fun. So buckle up. Welcome to Imperial TV. So where are we going? I have an appointment to go see my friend Michelle. She runs her med spa and she wants to do well, she's been doing my Botox for the past maybe 7-8 years now. Not fillers, it's just sterilizer, like just to eliminate a lot of the headaches, my jaws, the right here, sterilize my forehead maybe. Yeah, not bad, you know. Whatever it takes to make you feel good. It's the best investment I do to myself ever. Like one of the best thing ever done to myself, besides like all the luxury shit that you guys see. Doing something to your actual body is like very worth it. So Botox eliminates headache, eliminates jaw crunchiness, like at night, like when your jaws start biting and all that. That eliminates it. Why? Because the muscles kind of like relax, sterilized, and just like it's really cool shit. You guys might see it. So tired. I better like smile when we do the Botox, so that way like it freezes. Like it's like smile, freeze, bitch, and then like you know, like so that way the smile is always there. That'd be really good. But exiting 249. Yeah. So yesterday I was super busy, and Michelle messages me. She's like, "Hey, 1:30, don't forget," but it says it's about tomorrow, but I didn't read that part where it says tomorrow. Foreigner thing, you know. And literally drive like as soon as possible, like as fast as I could, like just to catch up to my appointment. Get there, and she's like, "Honey, your appointment is tomorrow." I already told you it's tomorrow. So I'm like, holy shit, how did I miss that? So yeah, it is a foreigner thing where you don't pay attention to today, tomorrow. You just like pay attention to some numbers, and then you go on. Yeah. What's next after this? Go back to work, kick some ass, and then try to get ready for tonight's party. I have a date, and the blonde chick I told you about, of course, Pablo. You know, yeah, I love blondes. They're like Lambos for me. Brunettes are like Ferraris. But I love Lambos right now.
Ferraris are beautiful too.
They are, don't get me wrong. It's just something about blondes. It's just like Lambos. Why do I have multiple Lambos? You know, that explains the addiction of Lambos. I mean blondes. I love blondes. They're cute. I love brunettes too. What's up with that heat? It's so bright, it's so hot. Well, we're here at Savvy chick. We're here to see Michelle. Michelle's about to do some facelift to this motherfucker right here. Let me see. Knock knock. FBI, female body inspector.
Did we lock y'all out? You thought you were locked out?
Meet Michelle. Michelle, she's been taking care of all that.
Alright,
man beauty.
Your Botox.
Yeah. I'm beautiful.
You are beautiful.
I'm about to be more beautiful.
I mean, if you were getting some lips.
No. No lips. Shit.
I mean, lips.
My lipstick.
The lips would be the only thing.
Actually, all girls that I've been with.
No, you have big lips already.
So all girls I ever kissed, like I probably kissed like hundreds of those.
No, we know. Yeah, we know this. Are you catching that?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm just wondering.
Everybody like say that I'm a good kisser. Do you have like filler? Like I don't have filler. Have you ever put shit in my lips?
No, your lips are natural. Yeah, no.
The only thing that I get over here is basically sterilizer to sterilize the muscles. I work hard, I stress a lot, and this right here just get wrinkled up. Not because of age, it's just because of anger, like quenching and all that shit. So I want her to sterilize this, and then my jaws Because at night I'll be like, fucking
TMJ.
guys, fucking this guy, fucking, you know, no, for real.
No, I love it. Yeah, definitely.
Because I'd be like cussing out all these insurance companies and they don't want to pay me, cussing out all these bad people that don't want to pay me. So it's like, oh, fucking, you better fucking pay me. Or I'm sleeping, you know. So I need to like sterilize this so it'll be like in my dream, so I don't have to actually like live my dream at night while I'm sleeping, in a way.
Awesome. Okay, let's do what we do.
Michelle is like, yeah, let me just fucking poke you.
So we are gonna do, actually we call this Botox, but we really use the Dysport on him. The reason we use Dysport for men is it's more natural and it is effective, but they can still move and they don't look overdone or plastic. So it diffuses better and it lasts longer and it works quicker. He's like, I'm coming today.
1:30. I was like, 1:30.
He lived by that moment. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Let me hurry up. Let me go.
Right,
and then, wait. Oh, I need to take care.
Yep, that's good. Okay. Well, it's your choice if you want me just to credit you and put it towards my tires and stuff. Do you want me to just do that and I'll send you what the total is?
So, yeah, that girl just took care of me very well. Guys, check out Michelle. Michelle's badass. She took care of this beautiful face right here. A savvy chick. Anything you need. 832-843-6300. Make sure you mention my name. She'll take care of you 100%. I love this girl. She's awesome.
How you feeling?
Amazing.
Younger?
No. It takes it takes a few days to like feel like the numbness of the muscles and all that. So, but nah, it doesn't make me. I mean, it's actually being positive. Yeah, I feel younger. Fuck yeah. I'm 37, so fuck it. I look good. I feel younger. I'm happy. Forever young. Why not? All right, what's next? Let's head back to the shop. And let's get real. All right, let's go. So much clients, so much stress. My phone is literally like every 2 minutes, ring, 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 or miss a call, or I'm on the phone and the beep, beep. Can even hear another customer. It's like, whoo, too much. Try to hire a lot of assistants that can actually answer my phone calls, take messages, but then everything accumulates at the end of the day, and it has to be me that's going to be taking care of those clients. So it is what it is. Stress. It's fun. It makes me money, so why not? Stress makes diamonds. Fucking diamonds. Senor DJ over here. This car is beautiful. It's amazing, but I probably need to tune it.
Yeah, we can get it done.
So I need to get tuned, get the suspension checked on this one, and
any leaks or anything, I'll check it over.
Yeah, it has warranty. So just like, you know, any warranties, any extended warranties that you guys have, DJ over here, my man. He'll always take care of me. He'll always take care of all my clients. He'll always take care of everybody here. As far as tuning, that's the man also as well. From Mercedes, BMW, Audis, Porsches, anything.
Lamborghinis, anything.
Anything. We're here to tune.
To go fast, I can make it faster.
Anywhere from upgraded turbos, downpipes, cat delete, anything.
We have some 2 cars right now, 2 projects, stage 2 CLS and AMG GTS with a 900 horsepower turbo kit, so it's gonna be exciting when that comes out.
That's lit. That's lit. Yeah, I need to make it fast. I have also another new Cayenne, Porsche Cayenne. So they sent us this as like a violation, like, oh, Imperial. But if you look, that's not my license plate. Why you send this to me? I don't even drive a Lexus. Plus, if you read it, it's MPERI4L, that's definitely not me at all. Guess wrong person. I don't violate like that. I drive with European plates. Anyway, so what's next? Let's go take a look at that door situation on that Lamborghini. Okay, yeah, I see the problem. See where it's broke? See where it's broken right here?
Yes.
So what happened when the car got hit, the door was latched. And due to heavy impact, it got pushed. So the sensor got broken. And see these two little dots that's in there? Okay, let me unlatch it for you. Okay. Let's lock it. Here. Oh, it doesn't hurt my fingers. Holy shit. Okay, I unlatched it. You see these two little dots right there? You see it's not touching the lever here? Or the dowel pin? So now when you lock it, I'm gonna lock it, right? It's supposed to touch both of them, but it's barely touching it. See, one of them, it's not touched. That means that's gonna trigger the alarm. That's why the alarm goes on. Okay, so let's go to auto styling so we can pick up the SVJ, so it'll be easier instead of like walking in the heat and sweaty and just go pick up a car. No, let's go bring this SVJ, put it right here, and then that way once I get dressed up and girls are ready to go, hop in the car and get the fuck out. Come on, let's go. Open sesame! Close sesame! Voice operated. Badass. I'm so fucking ready right now. One picture and then one picture for the Grammy. Oh shit, let me wipe the lens. Look how beautiful Jackie is. Jackie is my crush for many years. And finally I was able to crush it. So,
oh my god.
What? I'm bling bling right now.
Are you wearing that?
Can I wear it or no? That'd be cool. I look like some like nautical shit.
I like it. It's like very subtle.
I like it, right? I don't want to get shot. Finally. Finally, Princess Butch got ready. Are you ready, Princess?
Let's go.
Jackie?
Yeah.
Let's go. You mean to carry you? No. Sure? Alright, so we're here at Gauchos. Finally, we arrived safe after driving about 40 miles an hour on the freeway, plus 100. It was really nice. Were you happy?
Yeah.
Were you scared?
No.
Oh yeah, right. She was scared. Yeah, right. She was scared. Alright, well, let's go. Let's go eat. I'm hungry. I'm starving, and I would like a carajillo.
I was born to be free. ningún baboso se le pegue. La disco se prende cuando ella llegue. A los hombres los tienes de hobby. Una malcriada como Nairobi. Y tú la ves bebiendo de la botella. Con ni la niña quiere con ella. Tiene más de 20, me enseñó la cédula. Ey, te la enamoras una incrédula. Ella está soltera antes que se pusiera de moda. No que en amor le damos el boda. El DJ la pone y se la sabe toda. Se tripa en la mesa y que se joda. En el perreo no se quita. Pumi se pone bellaquita. Se llama si te necesita. Pero por ahora está solita. Ella perrea sola. Ella perrea sola. Tiene una amiga problemática y otra que casi ni habla, pero las dos son una tabla. Y él se puso mini falta, los Phillies en la luz, en los falta. Y me dice papi, hoy dura como Nati. Borracha y loca, a ella no le importa. Vamos a querer, la vida es corta. Ey. Y me dice papi, hoy dura como Nati. Después de las 12 no se comporta. Vamos a pelear, la vida es corta.
Tú me pichabas, ahora yo picheo. Antes tú no querías, ahora yo no quiero. Antes tú me pichabas, ahora yo picheo.
But I didn't drink much. Why? Because I'm driving the SVJ. Number one, number two. Well, hold on. Number one, I have my girl, my first cargo, and then I have the SVJ. So until next time, I'm gonna be Ubering. Love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Imperial TV. Don't forget subscribe. Imperial TV. Ciao. Good night, guys.